Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here, and today in this video we will talk about skincare. In this video we will talk about Lotus Herbals YouthRx range, and I have the entire range, so we will talk about how the products are and how I personally feel about these products. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in Lotus Herbals YouthRx range, we have three products. One is a serum cream and another two products are a day cream and night cream respectively. If you get the entire range, then in that case you get this pouch absolutely free. It has a Lotus logo in it, and along with that it also talks about the range. So the first product in this entire range is the serum. This is called Youth Activating Serum Cream, and this is how the cardboard packaging looks like. The cardboard packaging is very fancy, looks extremely luxurious, and you can definitely look at the entire theme that's going on. Looks really nice. And talking about the product inside, this is how actually the serum looks like from inside, and this is the actual or the real packaging of the serum bottle. And talking about the day cream, this is called Lotus Herbals YouthRx Anti-Aging Transforming Cream, and this is also equally gorgeous. This is also a glass jar that holds the cream inside, and I must say this is also extremely heavy, feels luxurious. The packaging is, oh my god, so gorgeous. I would love to keep this in my vanity so that my vanity looks extremely polished. And lastly, the third product in the range is this night cream. This is called Lotus Herbals YouthRx Anti-Aging Nourishing Night Cream, and this is how gorgeous the night cream is as well on the cardboard packaging. So this is the night cream, and this is extremely cute. This is, I guess, a travel size container for the night cream, and oh my god, can we just take a moment and talk about the color combination? This looks really amazing. And now let me show you how the products work and what I personally feel about this entire range. This is how the serum looks like. This is quite lightweight. The fragrance is absolutely mild, and it's not something that you'll get irritated with. If you have a problem with heavy and high fragrances, then this is something that's not at all going to disturb you. The fragrance is extremely light, and as a result, when you apply this, you don't get a bunch of fragrance disturbing you. Talking about the fragrance is very mild and gentle. It's quite refreshing. And about the formulation, it's very lightweight. Whenever I apply this, it easily gets absorbed in my skin, and I do not feel something extremely tacky on the skin. As a result, I love using this, especially in the nights. You can use it in the day and the night as well, so works both the ways. And this is how the serum looks on my skin. You can see it's completely absorbed, doesn't leave a lot of residue on the skin, and it is extremely easy to work with. If you want to layer this up underneath your makeup, works that way. Now let me show you the cream. You can see the cream is extremely lightweight. You can touch it and it's not at all oily, which is the very first thing whenever I look forward to a day cream. I don't want the cream to look tacky or oily on my skin, because I mostly prefer things that can last for a long time on my face if I'm using the cream. And then if I'm going out, then I would prefer something that will last at least for a few hours. For example, if I am going for some work, then I'll want my cream to last at least for that long. The entire range has the same fragrance, so the fragrance is quite mild, gentle and refreshing. This is usually how much I take in and rub it in between my fingers, and then I gently apply that on my face and then massage it in. And now talking about the night cream. This is how the night cream looks like, and this is how the texture is. Mostly the case with night cream is that they are very thick and they take a lot of time to get absorbed. In some cases they don't even get absorbed in the skin. They sit on the top of the skincare and feels a lot more heavier on the skin. But with Lotus Herbals YouthRx Anti-Aging and Nourishing Night Cream, that is not the case. This is extremely lightweight and feels extremely soothing on the skin whenever applied. Let me show you how this looks on the skin. I take a very tiny amount of the product and rub it in between my fingers, and then I slowly massage that in my entire face after I apply the serum, and that's what I do mostly in the nights. Lotus Herbals YouthRx Anti-Aging Transforming Cream is a very revolutionary product. It contains goodness of Genoplex compound and is a green science product specifically curated for normal to oily skin type people, and that's why this is something that works extremely well for people, those who want to get extremely good results out of a day cream. This not only prepares you for the day but also works on your skin and repairs the skin. As a result, the fine lines and wrinkles go away. So you have to continue using this for a period of time to see effective results. This Lotus Herbals YouthRx Anti-Aging Nourishing Night Cream works on the skin and makes your skin much more tighter. It helps in lifting up the skin and also accelerates the skin forming because it contains Genoplex compound, and it also has naturally potent ingredients that helps in all these three things, and as a result you get that glowing, naturally younger looking skin over a period of time. So these are the three products that comes in this particular range. You can get 10% off on Lotus Organics website by using the code, and I'm going to link the code right here, and make sure you use the code. As a result, you get a lot of discount on the total MRP, and I'm going to link the code also in the description box so that it's easier for you to remember. So that's it for today's video. मुझे तो products काफी अच्छे लगे हैं, and I am personally in love with this as I am turning 26 this year. So I have already started with my anti-aging products, and I highly recommend you start in early 20s so that you don't have to do a lot of things in your 30s, because जो signs of aging है वो धीरे धीरे later 20s में दिखने लगते हैं. So it's better to prevent than cure. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link my Instagram handle in the description box. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.